Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Madden NFL 24 Superstar mode not working. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. Without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you can do is you can confirm your Ethernet connection. So despite not requiring an internet connection to play Madden 24's solo modes, you may need one just to ensure that there is no issue with connecting to the game and its several modes. So this is likely is not the issue, but is always a good check just in case. And next, you can restart the Madden 24. So restarting the Madden 24 may be the one and only solutions. Your account will reconnect with the EA network, which hopefully means the game mode should work. So this also works for people who don't see the superstar option at all in the main menu. The next, what you can do is you can check the EA or the game platform server status. So if the EA servers are down, that may be what is affecting the Madden 24 is superstar mode. So why this mode would need to connect to EA servers in first place is beyond my guess. So however, feel free to check the EA servers, and perhaps the game is either under maintenance, and additionally servers may just be down for the system you're using as well. So just be sure to check them too. And then lastly, what you can do is you can update the Madden 24. So your game may require the latest update in order to play the Madden 24's Superstar mode. So there are multiple ways to do this. You can simply start the game and see if a new update is downloading, and you can also manage the game from the outside the app, checking if it needs an update. So lastly, the main menu of the Madden 24 should have an option to update the game on the main menu if all else fails. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.